You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston. Good Thursday afternoon to you. I think the big story today is how mild we are going to climb. Well above average. Average high this time of year is 2 degrees. We'll get to around 7 degrees here in Kingston. Some parts of the region actually climbing to 8 degrees. We're also dealing with some rain though, 5 to 10 millimeters of rain depending on where you are in the region, and windy conditions as well with gusts around 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. There's that rain that we'll be dealing with. The bulk of that rain was this morning, but then in the afternoon, drips and drabs here and there, but about 5 to 10 millimeters of rain throughout the day. And then some sunshine is on the way for Friday, and then Saturday, flurry activity again, but temperatures rising to around 3 degrees by the start of the weekend. Belleville, good afternoon to you. You'll get to 8 degrees today with 5 millimeters of rain and those windy conditions. A mix of sun and clouds to end the week, and a chillier high of just -1, and then back up to a little above average 3 degrees for Saturday. Flurries switching over to rain snow mix as those temperatures rise to above 0. Brockville, 8 degrees for you today, 5 to 10 millimeters of rain with that wind, -1 tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds. Flurries for Saturday climbing to +3. Now for Smiths Falls, 6 degrees today, still well above average, dealing with that rain and wind as well. What a difference 24 hours is going to make for you. -3 is your expected high tomorrow, but you'll see some sunny periods, and then -1 on Saturday with some flurries. Here's how Kingston's next 5 days are looking. We'll get to 8 degrees today. Wow, 5 to 10 millimeters of rain and that wind. And then just -1 tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds, and a little unsettled for the weekend. We do get to highs of 3 degrees both days, flurries both days as well, and then back up to well above average to begin the week. At this point, we're looking at a high of +7 with more rain in the forecast.
Yes, a bit of a soaking today, and that chance of showers is dwindling quickly tonight. We hope to see some clearing, but that comes with some cooling too. Don't expect it to be super mild like it was today. Tomorrow, it's going to be much cooler. Enjoy that bit of sunshine too, because it's all going to change as we see some wet snow coming our way. We'll talk about that in just a minute. 9 for high in Kingston today, when you should only be hitting 2 or 3 degrees for a daytime high. That's pretty mild. 8 in Brockville, 7 at Smiths Falls and Ottawa. Look at this, double digits in Belleville with a 10, 9 in Peterborough, 10 in Oshawa and Toronto as well. And yeah, we're seeing that change now quickly as west winds take over, tapping into a cooler air mass out of the northwest, and that's going to bring temperatures down considerably. 22 millimeters of rain today. I know it may not have seemed like a whole lot, but when it did rain a few times there, it got hard and heavy, especially early in the morning and then again this afternoon, mixed with some sleet, ice, yeah, right on the tail end as it was pulling out. That precipitation started to solidify. And you will see that this time of year. The shoulder season fall is like that. When you get into a change in temperature from morning to night, things can change. That precipitation can go from wet to white or even ice like we saw today. Low pressure moving out of the way. High pressure sort of trying to come in for Friday and clear it up. You'll start off sunny, but by late Friday, an increase in cloud because of this warm front and a couple of lows that are moving in. The first low, just ahead of it, you're looking at that chance of flurries, possibly mixed with showers at times when you get up, above the freezing point through the day. But once that secondary low moves in for Sunday out of the west, you're going to see a big change as far as what type of precipitation you're going to see. The first round on Saturday is likely to be sort of a rain flurry mixture. And then when you go into Sunday, it's going to be more of a flurry rain mixture, prioritizing by putting the flurries on the front end. You could see a little more of the white stuff on Sunday. So this is where we sit now with that probability waning very quickly. Some partial clearing through the morning. It looks nice, but by late Saturday afternoon, you see that increase in cloud. We could see the probability of flurries moving in, but you're so close to the lake that it could be mixed precipitation. This body of water, of course, warming it all. And that probability of precipitation drops Saturday evening. You start to see some partial clearing again, but into Sunday, we get back into another low out of the west, and that brings you some snow. It'll be a wet snow or mixed precipitation, a high of 3 on Sunday. For tomorrow, it's mainly sunny conditions until the late afternoon when it starts to cloud up again. Saturday, a high of 3 with a 70% chance of snow, and then Sunday, a high 3, 80% chance of mixed precipitation. Brockville, -1 your high tomorrow with a mix of sun and cloud. It's clearing up early Saturday. 3 degrees for a high with mixed precipitation, and for Sunday it's only up to 2, and you'll see a 60% chance of some wet flurries. Smiths Falls -3 and clearing tomorrow. Saturday cloudy with a high 1, 70% chance of snow, and Sunday you're up to again 60% chance of flurries or light snow with only a high of -1. Kingston, your 5-day forecast, clearing in the morning, a high of -1, and then for Saturday look out for a bit of snow. Yeah, 80% probability with a high 3, Kingston. Sunday it's +2 and a 70% chance of light snow or flurries. Monday, though, right back up to a 9 Celsius again. So, yes, rain, and it's going to be a windy day, too. Tuesday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high of -2. Now your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam's since 1962 with same-day delivery.
Harold Feartag of Kingston sends this one in. His first snowy white of the season. What a lovely owl. Beautiful picture. Thank you so much, Harold. If you've got pics, send them to us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
Yes, the owl surveying its domain. Lovely picture. Bill, Holiday Lights Tour starting Monday.
That's right.
And we need viewers' help.
Yes, we do. I can't do it alone. I need people to send their submissions in. I need to know where to go. I was out the other night knocking on doors. People are sending in addresses already. We've got several submissions, but it's an ongoing thing. Don't rest on your laurels, folks. Even if you've already sent in a submission, send me another one. If you happen to see somebody in your region with really nice holiday decorations, I could be doing the weather from their front yard some evening until Christmas. We're going to be doing it for 3 weeks.
That's right. Because this is viewer-driven, right? I mean, this is you go where viewers tell you to go.
That's right. I may hand-pick 1 or 2, but most of them are nominated by our viewers. We either get emails, voicemail, people stop me on the street. Just yesterday, somebody grabbed a hold of me and said, "You got to get out to Highway 2." And he seemed a little disappointed. He was like, "Yeah, I've been there, I think, at least." For the last 3 years, we visited this one location.
But you know what, though? Some of them are worth seeing again.
They are. There are some that are like practically landmarks. They're just, they shame the Griswolds. It's just incredible.
And they attract crowds, too, right?
Yeah,
so,
they do. They get a lot of traffic, people coming by and taking a look. So even if they've been there before, if we've featured them before, I still want to know that they're up to the Christmas spirit once again.
Yes, well, certainly a lot of people are, because you see a lot of holiday Christmas lights out there already. Okay, thank you, Bill. We'll find out what's in store in the long-range forecast coming up later.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
Quite a good soaking we had today. That rain out of the way, or moving very slowly out of the way. It might be a little bit of a flurry here and there. We actually saw some sleet and hail just on the tail end of this. Some falling ice smashing my car as I was driving to work this afternoon. It does look as if that's out of the way. We saw some partial clearing. There's still some fairly bit of cloud tonight, but you're going to find it clear up nicely in the morning. Enjoy Friday's mix of sun and cloud, or sunny to start, but then through the afternoon that cloud starts to increase again. We've got a couple lows moving through with some warm fronts. That's going to bring temperatures up a little bit, yeah, so it cools down a bit Friday, but then you're back up just above freezing by a few degrees, and so you're looking at the possibility of some flurries, maybe even mixed in with some shower activity. We've got 2 lows to contend with, and it's active weather spills right into Sunday as well, Belleville. So you've got a 60 or 80% chance of flurries Saturday, and then on Sunday it's an 80% chance of that being mixed as temperatures start to climb. You see, you've got the daytime highs are the same Saturday and Sunday, but you can see overnight -6 and a +2 Sunday, so it doesn't really drop much. So that's why you'll see that mix. Enjoy that bit of sunshine you get tomorrow. Brockville clearing tomorrow as well. Saturday mixed precipitation with a high 3. 2's your high Sunday, and a good chance of flurries or light snow. Smiths Falls -3's your high with a mix of sun and cloud tomorrow. Saturday and Sunday looks like a pretty good chance of some wet snow. Kingston, your long range forecast, clearing in the morning, a high -1. Saturday, it's a high 3 with some snow. Sunday, a good chance of snow again. Monday, it's showers with a high of 9. Temperatures dropping Tuesday with a high -2, mostly cloudy, but we're up to 0 Wednesday with a chance of snow again. Some flurries maybe Thursday.